Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Do you know what India Googled the most during the COVID 19 induced lockdown? Grocery, Ramayan, recipe, Zoom, Netflix, online games, and courses were in the top searches last month. Which are the industries that are providing these services online? The answer will be e-commerce, entertainment, OTT platforms, online collaboration tools, gaming, and massive open online courses platform. These industries have been able to thrive during these times because of their massive digital presence. COVID 19 has fast tracked the digital transformation of our country, and this will just continue to grow. And data, artificial intelligence, technology, software development will be in the forefront of this change. Rise of online courses during the lockdown has also been unprecedented. B schools are currently shut, the job market looks grim, the future of MBA may seem a little uncertain. So, upskilling and pursuing online courses seems like a good idea. But you can't just choose any course. It has to be something valuable that will be useful during and after the COVID 19 gets over. That's where we can help you out. Here are the top 5 online courses that will help you post COVID 19 lockdown. Course number 1, Data Analytics. Data analysis is a process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information and support decision making. Data analytics depends on exploring, explaining, experimenting, and forecasting trends and data patterns. Wondering what is the big deal, especially now? COVID 19 led digital transformation is creating large amounts of data. This puts the data analyst at the front and center, trying to make sense of this data by analyzing and identifying patterns to forecast trends for the future. Even during this economic slump, some of the top pharmaceutical and edutech companies are looking for data analysts. Learning a data analytics course is thus important now more than ever. Number 2, behavioral investing. Many firms are going through financial difficulties during this COVID 19 induced economic crisis. Some of these difficulties have been caused due to bad finance and investment decisions made before the lockdown. Why does one make such bad investment decisions? The main reason is lack of research. Other reasons could be biases and other complicated emotional factors. Behavioral investing is a one-of-its-kind course that involves finance, economics, psychology, and neuroscience to understand and avoid bad business decisions, along with learning about different fat tail events and financial crises. While this course may not help directly in the job market, it will definitely help you understand the reasons behind financial decisions during and after the lockdown. Number 3, People Analytics. People analytics is a deeply data-driven and goal-focused method of studying people processes, functions, challenges, and opportunities at work. In people analytics, you learn about technological tools for team management, predicting and creating a reward and recognition system, designing of development plans, figuring out the best talent, predicting the attention rate, and many more. The need for a people analytics skill has skyrocketed more during the current COVID 19 crisis. People analytics is now being used to respond more quickly and decisively to understand employee needs, predict performance, and solve problems that arise as a result of COVID 19 in real time. If you are an HR aspirant, HR professional, or even a people's manager, then this course is a must for you. Number 4, Digital Marketing. Since the lockdown, there has been 87% increase in the usage of social media, and people are spending more hours on Facebook and WhatsApp. It's true that many companies have stopped their expenditure on marketing during this crisis, but the smarter ones know this is the right time to work on marketing, especially digital marketing, since most of the world is online. Many entertainment OTT companies, MOOCs, are looking for digital marketers. Even after the lockdown is over, digital transformation will bring more and more businesses online. So, doing a digital marketing course does make sense during this time. Number 5. Design thinking. Design thinking is a process for creative problem solving and has a human-centered core. Initially a UI UX designing and product management based subject, design thinking has now become more relevant in other domains. You know what's the ultimate design thinking use case? It's the COVID-19 lockdown. A design thinker will look at the COVID-19 situation as a problem statement and then involve tools, products and services that can solve problems in an effective manner. Is it not the want of not just companies but also the world? Many startups have already come up with the products and ideas by keeping COVID-19 as the center of the problem. They have innovated interesting products on entertainment, remote work, loneliness management, stress management, etc. Coming up with an effective solution in such a short time was only possible because of the company's human-centric solutions. If you want to spark your creative thinking and be a person of substance, not just now but for years to come, design thinking is exactly what you need. And that's the 5 online courses for you. If you are wondering, but where do I find these courses? There are a lot of them that can be found online. Check them out. If they fit your pocket and time, then start learning. You can also check out our Counsel one-on-one mentorship and career coaching program. This one-of-a-kind mentorship program that spans over 12 weeks will put you in touch with people from top universities and companies you aspire to be in. Discuss your professional life, career, or even the decision to do an MBA. To know more, find the link in the description below. We hope you liked our list of top 5 online courses you must pursue during the lockdown. Do you think we should add more to the list? What should we add? Tell us in the comment section below.